Have you ever been confused about how to properly register a singleton instance in Unity? It can be tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the differences between two common methods of registering a singleton instance in Unity. I totally get it. Many developers struggle with understanding the best practices for singleton registration. You're not alone in this. It's a common question that can lead to confusion and frustration. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, what is the difference between these two ways to register a singleton instance in Unity? They provided two code snippets for context. Sound familiar? If so, let's break it down together. So what are these two methods? The first method involves creating an instance of the configuration and registering it directly. The second method uses a container-controlled lifetime manager. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective singleton management in your projects. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share the preferred method for registering singletons that can save you time and headaches in your development process. First, let's clarify the two methods the user mentioned for registering a singleton instance in Unity. The first method involves creating an instance of the configuration and registering it directly. In this method, the user creates a new instance of the configuration class and registers it with the container. This means that every time the user requests iConfiguration, they will receive the same instance. Now let's look at the second method. This involves registering the type with a lifetime manager that controls the instance's lifecycle. In this approach, the user registers the configuration type with a container-controlled lifetime manager. This ensures that the container manages the instance and provides the same instance whenever iConfiguration is requested. In summary, both methods achieve the same goal of creating a singleton instance. However, the preferred method often depends on the user's specific needs for instance management and lifecycle control. Fun fact, the concept of singletons is so popular that it has made its way into everyday language. Ever heard someone say, "That's a singleton move"? Now you know where it comes from. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the first method registers an instance of a type, allowing you to capture the state of that singleton. However, they find it unusual to register the state of a singleton. In contrast, the second method registers a type without capturing any specific state, allowing for state to be set later through attributes or parameters. The user also notes that both methods can register multiple instances of iConfiguration with different names, resulting in different objects for different names, but the same objects for the same name. So, which method should you prefer? The second method, using the container-controlled lifetime manager, is generally recommended. It provides better lifecycle management and can help avoid issues with multiple instances. And there you have it. You now understand the differences between the two methods of registering a singleton instance in Unity. Remember, using the right method can save you from potential headaches down the line. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more Unity tips and tricks.